Morning. It is July 9th. I have this microphone positioned so I can see the light on it this time. So if it goes out, I will know. Um, so I have I need to inspect all the hives today, but I have some decisions to make. I have a queen arriving tomorrow, but the last time I checked this Hive 3, you see the 3 there? Hive 3. There was a queen in there. They made a queen. I know it's not the queen I put in there before because it didn't have a dot on it. So I don't know what I want to do because they seem pretty happy. Like lots of good activity going on outside this hive. So I'm going to look in there, make sure she's laying. I don't necessarily want to kill her because this hive is really finicky about queens. Hive 4, on the other hand, has not been looking great the past few days. Not much activity, although this morning it looks a little better. So I'm going to look around in there and see what I think of their queen. I might use the new queen for in there, which means I'll have to kill their queen today. But I'm going to inspect everybody. Swap out the drone frames, see what our honey situation is over on the other side. And wow, I left my smoker up by the house. Okay, kind of important. So the good news is it's not real humid out this morning. It's hot, but it's not. The humidity's not there. So I think it said 1% humidity when I checked. Yeah, this hive is looking a lot more active. Sorry, girls. Boy, honey super's a lot busier. I just hope they're not going to get nasty on me. I don't know. Yep, it's a busy. Still not a lot going on up here, but there's a lot more bees up here than there have been. So that's good. They seem pretty mellow, but it would take a while for the different genetics to show up. Well, Alright, let's find this queen, or at least find that she's laying eggs. That would be good to know. More little larvae. So she's doing a good job. Oh, there she is, right there. I kind of want to mark her. She's probably going to walk away while I'm getting my stuff. Where'd you go? Oh, there you are. Well, that's no good because I have a million bees in there. I'm gonna get her like by herself. Come up here where there's space. Oh, so much for that. Okay. Alright, I think I might just leave these guys alone. I do need to swap out this drone frame here. I know. You didn't like that? Didn't like what I did there? You're really not going to like this. Yeah, there's quite a few drone cells here we want to freeze. Oops. It's like nectar dripping out of here. Okay. This has some queen cells on it too. Okay. Yeah, I feel like I don't want to mess with these guys because they're so finicky. I mean, I've tried to put a queen in here so many times, and now they finally made their own, which I don't love, but I feel like if I kill her, I don't know if they're going to accept a new queen. They seem like they're doing real good right now, so I don't know. See how Hive 4 is doing. They didn't look great lately, but I'm trying to place the camera in the shade. That's why I keep going at different angles here. Alright, yeah, there has not been a lot of activity outside this hive. Oh, there's quite a few bees in the top here. I don't know. So this queen did nothing for a long time, and then she kind of reappeared. Some larvae here, like a hive beetle or something. We're not going to be able to pull honey from either of these hives, that's for sure. Okay. So this queen, I put it in here and then it didn't do anything for several weeks. And then all of a sudden, I found her. I found eggs. No, they don't look great. Like, kind of, I don't know, seems okay in here. It just seems like when I've looked at the outside lately, it didn't seem real active compared to the other hives, but it's okay in here. Okay, let's see what we've got. Man, I don't know. You gonna give me a reason to kill your queen, girls? You're not being very nice. It's not rainy out. Queen cell. I'm gonna freeze this anyway. So make sure the queen is not on here. There she is. Okay. Hmm. I'm not sure if she went down or not. I'm gonna keep going here because I want to find queen cells. Man, not being very nice, girls. Okay, well, I guess you guys seem okay. I don't know why you're not busy at the front of your hive, but a full box here. Seems like you should be working on your honey super. Well, I haven't got any closer to figuring out my problem with the queen. Maybe I can sell it to somebody. I don't think I want to mess with Hive 3 right now. They, they're just trying to find a good spot for this camera here. They're just so finicky about queens. I don't know. Alright, well, so I will say that Hive 1 here is also not looking as active as I would like lately, but I think we're coming to the end of the palm trees here blooming. So in these hives, I want to see where we're at with the honey because it would be nice if we could post some honey in a week or two here. Oh. Well, it needs a couple more weeks to get capped. Let's see, we got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 frames. This is gonna be heavy. Oh, it's actually not that heavy. Makes you wonder. All right, still not much going on in this comb honey cartridges here, which is fine. I might just wonder if I should just take it off. Take it off, let them focus on the other. This hive kind of got small because I kept taking eggs and larvae out of it. So, yeah, maybe I should take that off. I might do that. No. All right, let's see what we got here. I'd love to know why I'm having so much trouble with my smoker today. Okay. Well, the bees seem a little grumpy today. Not sure why. There's the queen. There's a big one. All right, I've seen a few queen cells in here, so I'm just going to make sure there's no more. Yeah, I think I might take this off. Which problem is getting the bees out of it. There we go. Just, I want them to concentrate on the super that is almost filled out. So, hives 2 and 5 have been looking very good. So, one thing I could do with the new queen is a vertical split. Where basically you would put another queen excluder and then another brood box with some of the brood from down here, and then you would put the new queen in there, and it would behave as two hives, but both hives would be working the honey supers. So that's one option, which would be temporary. Eventually, if I found I needed a queen somewhere else, I might combine that part with some other hive, or with this hive and kill one of the queens. I don't know. But I don't know what I'm going to do. It's a dumb thing to hope for, but I was kind of hoping I was going to find a queenless hive today. But I definitely don't think these two are queenless. They're really busting at the seams here. All right, let's see here. How do we look? Okay. That side's full, the other side is empty in the middle, which is what was happening last time. I don't know why that's happening, but this box looks pretty good, though. All the frames are, 9 out of 10 are full. They're not capped, but maybe will be soon. Oh, that one is heavy. Okay. And then this box. They're working on it. It's not that exciting. There's pollen in there. Which interesting. Yeah, I mean, they're working on it. Probably because the other one's full. So I might move, if I'm going to do that kind of split, I might move this one to the top. I can always do that tomorrow. So, I wonder if I should go get a brood box. Ugh, what a pain. Ow. Really dumb when you get stung by a stray stinger that's in your suit. I don't think there was a bee there. I think it was a stinger that I need to wash my suit. I haven't washed it in a while. Okay, so maybe I'll go get a brood box and some empty frames. Well, my mic went out. I don't know when. Maybe it was when I walked up to the house. Hopefully it's back on now. It's the lights on. Oh my goodness gracious. I don't know if this is robbing or just I'm blocking their entrance and they're confused. Probably blocking their entrance. Okay, so I'm going to take, first of all, I'm going to swap this green frame. Make sure the queen's not on it. Okay, so Yes. Yes. We've passed the hour mark, which is not what I want to be happening, but anyway. Okay, so I'm going to take a couple of frames of brood out of here and put them over here. Okay. Let's see what we got here. You want to make sure we're not moving the queen. Oh, look at that. Beautiful. So that might be good. This one looks good. Don't see the queen. So I make sure I'm not moving her. I'm going to leave her where she is. There's the queen. Okay. So I'll leave this one. One's got larvae and such, so I might give him this one too. Okay. Okay, so mic frames. Okay, so watched a lot of different videos about this, how to do this over the year and a half that I've been beekeeping. So this is sort of an experiment for me. If it goes badly, oh well. This hive is very strong, and I wasn't going to have anywhere to put that queen anyway. So, okay, so we're going to put the honey supers back on between the two brood boxes. This kind of defeats the purpose of me trying to make the hives not so tall with single deeps, but it's probably not a permanent situation. Okay, other super. Now, I'm going to put another queen excluder. This is so the queen that I'm getting tomorrow cannot go down into the honey supers. And then this new brood box is going on top. And tomorrow, I will put the queen in there. If they don't accept her, oh well. I'll just put everything back how it was. But supposedly, if this works, it helps the honey supers get filled out quicker. So, let's see if that works. Get my wagon out of here. Well, let's see what happens, I guess. All right. Hive 5 has also been looking really good. We are at an hour and 10 minutes now. I'm glad I brought Gatorade out with me. Okay. Okay. This box is looking nice and full also. Although this frame feels a little bit light. Yeah, it's like that other one where they're empty in the middle. Weird. Not much going on down here. Whew. Oh, that's a lot of propolis. Of course, now that I'm almost done, my smoker is doing great. Should have relit it. First sign of trouble. I am beat. I'm gonna find this queen and be done. Unless I see something troublesome in here. I am over it. I saw itty bitty larva and I see eggs here. I think I'm just gonna call it a day. This hive is looking good. And I am worn out. All right, well, So tomorrow I'll come out here and put that queen in. This is an experiment. It probably would have been a good experiment to do earlier in the nectar flow because it's kind of coming to an end right now. But got a spare queen coming in the mail tomorrow, and might as well try something new, right? Why not? All right, well, my Wagner is full of bees. This is how you can tell the nectar flow is slowing down, because we've got somewhat of a robbing situation going on over here. All right, well, be back tomorrow.